Axel? Gilly? I don't think...
Bandits, locking on!
Tow line locking on!
Oh, my mackerel! That was close.
Hang on, Briggs!
What do we do now?
All I wanted to do was make it to the movies. All right, Briggs. Do it for the popcorn. Monster Wheelies, I think I have an idea.
We're all ears.
Raps, you'll have to let go of your bandages.
What? Then you'll fall!
Exactly. Then I'll swing to the other side where Gilly can catch me.
That sounds pretty risky, but it's the only plan we've got. Let's do it.
Here goes nothing. On my mark! Raps, now! Gilly's got you!
Nice, thank you, Briggs. Yeah, that was really smart. And brave.
We broke about 15 safety codes, but I'm glad you're okay.
I wasn't gonna let being stranded on a crumbly bridge stand between me and being on time. Someone's gonna fall into Blacktop Lagoon!
Don't worry! My animal instincts tell me she won't drive off the pier! Never mind!
Dive and grow! Whoa there! Gilly's got you! Let's get you back on land. I think you're more turf than surf. Ah!
Need a paw?
Perfect!
Activate Frankenstring! All right! Uh-oh! Full moon zoom! Now that's what I call a clean sweep.
Oh, Axel, I'm sorry my invention is causing so much chaos. But I'm here to offer my assistance.
Thanks, Doc. We just need a way to send this Mega Ball out of the city.
Raps to Axel. I've got an idea. Think you can send that ball my way?
You bet.
Absolutely.
Time to go mummy mode. One giant slingshot at your service.
Let's kick it into high gear, Doc. Emphasis on the kick. Headlights up, Sonny. Mega Ball is headed your way. Here it comes.
I'm ready to rock. 3, 2, 1. Look out below. Woo-hoo! Sunny to the monster wheelies. I totally crushed it. The Mega Ball, that is.
We did it! We stopped the Mega Ball!
Hang on, Rita. I'll get you out of this. What a tangled up mess. Sunny to Gilly.
The tent is pulling Rita out of control.
We'll have to slow her down, or else she'll crash into those racks! Gilly's got you! Activate turbo bubbles!
Oh! Pull, Gilly, pull! You can do it!
Hurry, Sunny! I can't keep this up much longer!
Almost. Got it. There you go.
Rider overboard!
Gilly's got you! Now that was pretty extreme.
Sweeps, I'm kind of stuck right now.
Tailed it!
Sweet.
Thanks, Sunny!
Where are those tires?
Monster wheelies to the mayor.
Monster Wheelies, you found the tires? I hope the race is starting soon.
Well, yes and no. They're a little bit lost and a little bit found.
I think I just found one.
We're rounding them up as fast as we can.
I'm going to make sure I get mine in time for the race.
You won't have to wait much longer for your new tires.
I'm collecting my own tires. You monster wheelies are too slow. That one's mine. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm going too fast to stop. I'm gonna crash.
I'm coming, Rev! Full moon soon!
Is anybody hurt?
I almost crashed, but I don't even have a scratch on my fabulous paint job. Thanks to Sweeps.
Nice job, Sweeps! And you collected all the tires!
And just in time for you both to be in the race.
I'm warmed up now for sure! See you at the starting line?
You are one fast trash truck. It'd be an honor to share the track with you.